Hi guys, right, here we are again, the old Vortex 550 Mega. If you've seen my first video, the unboxing and first run, you can see I was a little bit underwhelmed with it, but we're going to have a little bit of change. Thanks to Paul from Full On RC, we've got a little bit of a power system change. You've probably seen my Gorgon video where I put a 3S Spectrum system in that, you know, with a brushless motor, speed controller, and receiver and all that sort of stuff. If you haven't, go and check it out. But we've got one of the 223S systems out of the new Big Rock, Granite, that sort of thing. So 223S, 3100 kV Spectrum motor. And yeah, it's one of the 2-in-1 units. So no receiver, it's all built in, little aerial. And also comes with the SLT2 transmitter with the orange button, which means it's got the, I don't know what it's called, Spectrum stability thing. So it's got like a built-in gyro. So again, I think it's going to be pretty similar to when I converted the Gorgon. So you've got obviously a little 2-in-1 sat there. This seems pretty similar with the whole size. Motor can, you know, similar sort of length. And what I do is I'll start getting in the bits, go from there. If it looks like I'm sitting on the floor, it's because I am. Because up here we've got a big pile of Kratom, having a bit of a rebuild and a refresh. I don't know if I'm going to film any of that because it's pretty sort of boring everyday stuff, but if I get sort of involved in it and find some exciting bits, I will show you. So yeah, let's get this to bits. Right, under 5 minutes later, motor speed controller out. We're ready. One thing that's different from the Gorgon, it has this little piece, sits in there, which sets gear mesh, but I've got slightly bigger pinions going in anyway, but 2 screws on the gear covering, 2 screws on the motor, out it comes. So I might have to find a couple of little washers for that. Let's crack on. Well, there we go. Probably 20 minutes total, I expect. It's the original holes. You can use all the original wire tidy to make it look sort of normal. And yeah, you've got a few more wires bunched under there now, but that's fine. Wire tidy at the back works, keeps everything out of the way. Brushless motor fits in there, no modifications. Got a good mesh on it. And we've gone up to a, oh sorry, shadows, 17 tooth. Yeah, 17 tooth, 32 pitch. Feels nice. I think it was like a 13 tooth or something like that, standard. Yep. So we've gone from 13 to a 17 with brushless 223S. One slight problem though, let's get the battery cover off. EC5, all mine. QS8, so I need to find the connector, swap it over before we can test it. But yeah, 2 screws to go back in the gear cover, wheel back on, it's done. So yeah, you have to find 1 screw to fit the switch, but apart from that, all good. So yeah, get this back together, get a plug changed, get on it. Right, there we go, last little bits done to this. So swap connector to a QS8, got some 14mm metal hexes off the, well these were 3S vorteks, and a wheelie bar. This is off a version 2 4S Kratom. So yeah, all bolts in, same as it did on the Gorgon really. Yeah, handy little upgrade with the extra power. So yeah, next thing to do, find the battery somewhere, get charged up, check out the difference. And here we are, just outside for a little bit of a run. I was going to put the GPS on it, but I couldn't find anything to stick it down with, but as you can see, there's no need to pop one on it. It's definitely a lot faster than it was brushed. Yeah, very cheap, very easy. So yeah, once again, thanks to Paul, Full On RC, for the hookup. And yeah, nice, cheap, easy conversion that I think is, yeah, it's good. Enjoy.